Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video I will show you how to use Grammarly extension in Chrome. Okay, so now let's click on three dots. Now let's go to extensions and let's click on visit Chrome Web Store. And from here what we are going to do is we're going to get a extension for our browser in this store. So let's type in Grammarly. Let's choose it. And now let's install it to our Chrome browser. Press add to Chrome. Now our extension is installed. As you can see, we have a new window that says we can generate citations. You can automatically generate a citation for a resource you're viewing. Let's for example try it here. We also have settings in our extension in here that you can adjust to your liking. You can also unlock premium if you want. And this is how to install and use Grammarly Chrome extension. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel, press the like button, and I will see you in the next video.